Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to redirect an Odoo. This is especially useful if you're managing an Odoo website and need to send users from an old URL to a new page without causing confusion or broken links. In Odoo, redirecting can mean a few different things, like sending visitors from an old page to a new one, handling redirects after login, or managing redirects through custom controllers. So before starting, it's important to understand which type of redirect you actually need, because each one is used for a different purpose. In this tutorial, we're focusing specifically on creating an SEO-friendly website redirect, also known as a 301 redirect. This is useful when you've changed a page URL and want visitors, as well as search engines, to automatically land on the new page instead of the old one. For example, if you renamed a service page, updated a blog URL, or moved content to a better location, a 301 redirect helps users reach the right page and also helps protect your SEO value. To get started, go to the home screen in your Odoo dashboard. From there, click on Website. This will take you into the website management area where you can control page settings, menus, and URL behavior. This is the main section you use when managing pages, navigation, and website structure inside Odoo. Once you're inside the website section, click on Configuration. This is where Odoo keeps several website-related settings and tools. In the Configuration menu, click on Redirects. This opens the area where you can create and manage URL redirects for your site. If your website has old pages, changed links, or removed content, this section is very helpful for keeping your website clean and user-friendly. Next, click New to create a fresh redirect rule. Odoo will open a form where you can define how the redirect should work. This form is where you tell Odoo which old URL should point to which new URL. In the name field, enter a clear name for the redirect. This is mainly for your own organization, so choose something descriptive that helps you recognize what the redirect is for later. For example, you might name it after the old page and the new destination. A clear name is helpful if you create multiple redirects over time and need to manage them later. After that, go to the action field and choose 301 Move permanently. This is the best option when the old page has been permanently replaced. It tells search engines that the content has moved for good, which can help preserve SEO value over time. A 301 redirect is usually the right choice when you do not plan to use the old URL again. Now, in the URL from field, enter the old path you want to redirect from. In this example, type /old page. Be sure to enter the path exactly as it appears on your site, including the / at the beginning. Even a small difference in spelling, spacing, or the URL path can stop the redirect from matching correctly. Then, in the URL to field, type the new destination path, which in this case is /new page. This tells Odoo where visitors should be sent when they try to access the old URL. Make sure the new page is already published and working, so visitors do not get redirected to a page that is missing or unavailable. Finally, in the website field, choose the website where this redirect should apply. This is especially important if your Odoo setup manages more than one website, because redirects need to be assigned to the correct one. If the wrong website is selected, the redirect may not work where you expect it to. Once everything is filled in, your redirect is ready. From that point on, anyone visiting the old page should be automatically sent to the new one. This helps prevent visitors from landing on broken pages and keeps your website experience smooth. As a quick tip, it's always a good idea to test the old URL in your browser after saving to make sure the redirect works exactly as expected. You can also test it in a private browser window to make sure you're seeing the real redirect and not a cached version of the page.